Hey everyone, it's Jack. In today's video, I'm going to be covering the top 5 Canadian penny stocks to own as of right now in February 2021. These are all stocks that could offer potential huge growth to any portfolio if you're holding them. They are all stocks that I think will really skyrocket in 2021 and beyond. A penny stock is any stock that trades under $5 per share. These companies usually are fairly new. They've only been around for a few years or less and not as established in the community. They're not usually household names. However, these companies are some of the most innovative companies, and that's why I think we can see some extreme growth in the future from them. The companies I've chosen today, the top 5, are all companies in different sectors, so it's a very diverse set of stocks, and I think they're all poised to do extremely well. For those of you who are new to my channel, you might not know, but I'm currently doing a Wealth Simple Trade Challenge where I'm trying to bring a $1,000 account all the way up to $100,000 account. So these penny stocks are really going to be what I'm adding to my portfolio in order to help really boost some of that growth and hopefully bring me closer to my goal. Let's jump into the top 5 penny stocks, starting it all off with stock number 1, which is Mind Medicine, or otherwise known as MMED. MindMed trades under the ticker symbol MMED on the NEO exchange and is currently trading around the mid $4 range. At the time of filming, it's at $4.41. Over the past month or so, MindMed has shown some consolidation and has gone as low as $3.50 and as high as $5. I really think the perfect price range to get into MindMed is closer down to the $4 range. I'm going to wait for a pullback closer to the $4 range, and that's where I would enter into MindMed. Mind Medicine is a health company that focuses on psychedelics. They are innovating super cool ways to use magic mushrooms or LSD or other psychedelics to help fight depression, anxiety, addiction, and they are currently in the phase of doing clinical trials. If these trials are successful, this company is going to skyrocket and grow super fast, and you won't want to miss out. They are on the cutting edge of medicine, and their core business model is really to do good and help others, so I can't see this company going anywhere but up. Mind Medicine is a super exciting and innovative company that is truly trying to make a positive change in the world, and that's why I can really get behind it, and I think a lot of others will. And it's seen some extreme growth already this year, and I think it's going to continue on that track. Not to mention that it has a very well-known investor backing it big time, and that's none other than Kevin O'Leary from Dragon's Den. He's a main partner and investor in Mind Medicine. So that's penny stock number 1. So now let's get on to penny stock number 2. Penny stock number 2 is H2O Innovations. It trades under ticker symbol HEO. H2O Innovation trades under the ticker symbol HEO, and its current share price is around $3. H2O has already seen some amazing growth in the past few months. I think it's super poised to go even further, and right now it's had a pullback from its highs of around just under $4. So it's a great time to buy. As the name of the company suggests, H2O Innovations focuses on water. H2O is a state-of-the-art water treatment company that has a wide range of innovative technologies. Because of their wide range of technologies, they are able to have many business verticals and cater to a wide range of applications. It's allowed them to have a wide range of revenue streams that has shown strong year-over-year revenue growth. They are positioned to continue this strong growth in 2021 and have already signed multiple million-dollar contracts. One of them rumored to be with the automotive company Tesla, which you've all heard of. And as we all know, everything Tesla seems to touch turns to gold. So you're not going to want to miss out on H2O Innovations, and you might want to add it to your portfolio. Penny stock number 3 is in the technology sector. It's a disruptive technology in the drone field. It's also the cheapest stock of the 5 that I'm covering today. It is Drone Delivery Canada, and it's trading under the ticker symbol FLT. Drone Delivery Canada has absolutely exploded over the last 2 days. It's trading up around 35% in the last 2 days. It was around $1.34 2 days ago. It's now trading close to $2. This one is flying high. So with that being the case, you're going to want to time your entry very carefully. you might want to wait for a slight pullback or to see how it shapes out, because drone delivery has shot up extremely in the last 2 days. Drone delivery is like H2O in the way it's a very disruptive technology with a wide range of applications. Drone delivery has a variety of different types of drones that it uses in a range of various applications. These applications include, but are not limited to, search and rescue using drones, delivering packages to remote communities, air traffic and airport control, delivery of items around oil rigs, as well as safety and mining. Due to these diverse business verticals, I think Drone Delivery Canada is set up for amazing growth in the future, although I would still be slightly wary of the current spike in the last 2 days and maybe wait for a better price to buy in. That's just my opinion. So now on to penny stock number 4. Penny stock number 4 falls kind of into the EV electronic vehicle sector. What do electronic vehicles need? They all need batteries, and they all use lithium batteries. So this is a lithium company called Standard Lithium. It trades under the ticker symbol SLL. And my reasoning behind this is that as we move away from gas-powered cars and over to electronic vehicles, we're going to need the increased demand for batteries and lithium batteries specifically. And that's really going to cause this stock to continue to rise and have extreme growth over the next decade or so. Standard Lithium is currently trading around the $4 mark per share. It's seen extremely steady growth over the last 6 months, with a little bit of a spike right around when Joe Biden became president. He's promised a lot of money for the green renewable energy space, which EV falls into, so a lot of those stocks saw big spikes around the time of his presidency. This is just another reason why this company is poised to continue to grow over the next few years. Standard Lithium owns and operates one of the biggest mining, extraction, development of lithium in the United States. They have the rights, huge mine out of Arkansas that is showing a lot of promise as the EV sector grows and the demand increases. This should help grow their stock price even more over the next decade or so. Now that we've covered Standard Lithium, it's on to our final and 5th penny stock. The 5th and final penny stock kind of falls into a mix of the renewables and sustainability sector, as well as the food sector. It's a company called NEXE Innovations. It trades under the ticker symbol NEXE. NEXE Innovations has gotten a lot of hype over the last month or so as it started to get into the mainstream news. It shot up from under $2 all the way up to $4 per share. It's now declined since and is trading around $3.20. I think NEXE is a very promising company that can easily get back to that $4 range and continue to grow past even. NEXE has designed an innovative, environmentally friendly, fully biodegradable coffee pod. Millions and millions of single-use coffee pods are used each day in North America. The NEXE pod is an innovative solution to these single-use pods. If NEXE starts to replace these pods and captures a sliver of the market, it will begin to see exponential growth over the next decade or so. So there you have it. There are my 5 penny stock picks. They're all extremely diverse companies, but all very innovative in their own path. I truly believe that they're all poised for extreme growth in 2021. I'm going to be adding them all to my portfolio, or the majority of them at least, if I haven't already. I'm super excited about all of them, and I hope you guys are too. If there's any companies I didn't feature, and you want me to look at them, please let me know down below in the comments. Just drop the ticker symbol down there and I'll for sure check it out. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash that like button. It helps my channel grow a lot. And subscribe to the channel if you're not already to follow along with my journey from $1,000 portfolio to $100,000.